together.
Receive heirloom organic seeds delivered to your doorstep every month.
Access expert grow guides, videos, and tips.
Discover new exciting seed varieties every month.
Together, we build sustainable communities, one seed at a time.
Every seed is worth it.
Ooh-cha! Welcome back to the Garden of Treats. How you feeling? So, we are in Grow Zone 6, like 6B in Ohio. And you can grow a variety of different things in that location. But one of the things I wanted to focus on and more than likely get some insight from those who visit the channel. Come on out, woo-woo. Is our permacultural garden. And so I'm gonna show you the space that we have to work with. And if any of our subscribers, supporters, or anyone that come across our video can drop some insight, I'm gonna give you the breakdown of what we look to have done, and you can share your insight. You feel me? It's windy out here right now. Why? Because there's no trees. Ain't this agriculture practices, you know? Too much corn. All right, so let's get to it. Look. All right, so check this out. As you can see right here, it get really wet. You see it get wet, and so along here it get wet, and so as you see it's wet over there. I'm not gonna walk through this right now, it's because my boot. We got a tear in the boot. What's up, woo-woo? And so as you can see, it's really wet. And as you can see, these fields, the cornfield, the soybean field, and they rotate them back and forth, but they grow the same things over and over and over. It's terrible. Boo. And so they do a thing called tiling. And basically it takes all the water out of the field and drains it out to the little trenches up front they be having. Like little creeks, you know. But we're not gonna do that because we want a permaculture garden, and the main thing about permaculture is working with nature, caring for nature. And sharing nature. And so this water is a resourceful thing, and so we're gonna put a pond. We're gonna put a pond in here, and we're not sure where to put it at quite yet. We definitely gonna build a barrier, a live fence barrier around the perimeter with big trees. Like these are willows right here, and so that's something that's definitely gonna happen. And as you can see, the water right there. Let me show you over here. There's more water. All the water. More water up there, as you can see. So to get moisture and sloppy, you feel me? As you can see, that field over there very dry. Like I said, they do that tiling over there to block the wind. And so trying to figure out what is the best location to place the pond. Because we're doing a permacultural garden. We are going to have a permacultural garden. I've done some food scraps up there. He over there eating. I might be getting some more food soon. But this is south, this is north, and it does flow down this way. As you can see, that may be why the water is stationary there. But I was thinking about starting a permaculture garden. Let me walk through. Let me get it. Rabbits out here, a lot of rabbit poop. Now, that right there, those are mushroom blocks. Portage River mushrooms, you feel me? We're gonna spread those out. So this is the space where we're going to start the permaculture garden at. And the spacing for as of now is going to be 21 yards by 21 yards. And we're going to see how it goes. And there's a lot of water right here. And so, yeah, let's see how. So we're truly trying to figure out where's the best place to place the pond. See, we got, but this is this is part of our Angelamemorialtrail. But in the summertime, it's getting to the rainy season. This isn't here. So I planted 2 sycamore trees right here. There's a sycamore tree right there. Let me put my glove. My hands getting cold. It's raining. It is March 5th, March 6th on 2025 on the Gregorian calendar. Those trees, I pulled them up from up front, and I planted right here. The reason being is because we want to block this off right here from whatever they got going on. They can keep it over there, you feel me? We don't want that over here. And so building a live fence around this way, and also planting willow trees, and also do a willow fence too. And so the permaculture garden will probably start. The trail is from there to right here. That's the whole trail. As you can see, the fruit trees right there and right there. And so plant more fruit trees along this road right here also, and then do the permaculture garden right inside of here. And so the goal is to have 4 plots of growing space for the garden. And so it would start, like I said, like as you can see, the end is right here, boom. And then inside of that, we would start growing the food, planting the flowers and so forth. And so, like I said, it's gonna be 4 plots of garden spaces that we're gonna do the permaculture in. And then inside of the middle, so there'll be one here, then there's gonna be a row up the middle, and then one here. And I'm only doing 2 of them at a time, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solar heat the next 2. So once I cut it down, I'm gonna till it one time. I'm gonna cover it with tarp, not landscaping tarp. What is it called? Greenhouse tarp, and leave it down there for the whole year and allow that to do its thing, and then utilize that for the following season. And so there'll be 4, one here, one here, one there, one there, and then I'll continue with this would be where the pond would be at, where the fish will be, and utilizing the fish as a great fertilizer to drip slowly into the permaculture garden over here, but also pump it out too and turn it into a beautiful set. And so if y'all have any information on establishing this permaculture garden, you can please share with us, and I would really appreciate it. Woo! It's cold out here, y'all. And so what I'm gonna do with these blocks is my nephew's gonna be coming over, and we're gonna take them out the bags, and we're just gonna spread them. We're just gonna throw them around. And so once we cut it, and once we till it in for the first and last time, it just allows these mushroom blocks to put their mycelium into the soil and treating the soil and getting it back to a beneficial state. You feel me? So yeah, appreciate y'all for coming by. Look forward to hearing y'all comments and how we can turn this space into a beautiful space. And so I'm showing it now, and so what it's gonna become is gonna be impeccable. You feel me? All right, I'm out. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the video. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. Yo, if you're still watching, appreciate you for watching to the end of the video. Appreciate you for liking and subscribing and sharing this video with someone that you care about. You know what I'm saying? So creativity leads to longevity. And the garden season is coming up. If you have yet to start acquiring your seeds, you can go to lovealwaysfoundation.org right now and become a seed subscription member and receive seeds monthly delivered to you. And it helps support the Love Always Foundation and all those initiatives. You heard say, she said, right now, sign up right now, right now, right now. Bye.